Hi, everyone. Actually, I've got a bit of a confession. I'm a dead man walking. That's because I run a fintech company, and the data shows that fintechs, out of every other startup category, die faster and harder. That's because fintech entrepreneurs have to deal with a unique set of hurdles. Regulatory hurdles, market data hurdles, infrastructure hurdles. By the time you're done hurdling, you're out of time and out of money. That's why 90% of fintechs, many with great ideas and a good team, die. For the last 2 years, my team has spent time getting a real first principles grip on this problem. We've built one of the hardest things you can in fintech, a brokerage. In 6 months, we're going to open source the entire thing so that anyone can build using our operating system, whether you have a simple money transfer idea or you want to build a full-service brokerage. Aries is building fintech rails for the internet.
Thank you, Aries. Let's give them a round of applause, and you can meet them at booth number 15. Next up is Chaperone. Let's give them some energy for encouragement.
Hi, everyone. Mohau Muchabili here, founder and managing director of Chaperone. Chaperone is a fintech based in Southern Africa, specifically in Lesotho, scaling into South Africa and Botswana. So we help governments, companies, and individuals digitize payments. We all know that 90% of transactions in Africa are cash-based. So we've been able to help by creating specific use cases that have been able to help corporates and governments digitize. So the opportunity for our market is around 500 million. We're raising Series A, 2.6, and we're also working with mining companies, blue chip companies in South Africa to help them offer affordable credit to their employees. In Africa or South Africa, employees borrow expensively, and employers have come in to intervene to try to reduce the cost of borrowing and make it digital. Thank you.
Thank you, Chaperone. And just a reminder, you can meet all the startups that were pitching today back at their exhibitor tents. But the next one up is Farseer. Let's give them some energy. Come on up, come on up.
Hi, everyone. I'm Matthias, co-founder and CEO of Farseer. Finance teams spend 80% of their time on manual tasks. They rely on a mishmash of legacy solutions, SaaS, and spreadsheets. A lot of spreadsheets. Farseer is like Airtable for finance. We give finance teams the building blocks to build and automate all their processes, from invoicing, planning, forecasting, closing, consolidation, and beyond. You can think of Farseer as Excel built for the enterprise. You have a spreadsheet in the front and a very powerful analytical database in the back. We also released our AI Copilot, which helps our customers build apps by using natural language. We're a team of 20 people based in Croatia. We have 40 customers, and our ARR is 650K. Our founding team is 4 engineers with previous successful exits. We're here to meet potential customers and potential investors for Series A. So join us at booth 17. Thanks.
Join them in booth number 17. Next one is Amaya Plus. Amaya Plus. Let's give them a round of applause as we're getting on stage.
Thank you. Uzbekistan, nice country, by the way. Hello, my name is Bahram. I'm a founder and CEO of Amaya Plus. We're building the biggest library of educational apps for kids in the world. Lots of apps under one subscription, in fact. It's a new project, but our team have years of experience in making and selling apps for kids, reaching more than $10 million in sales. We do believe in our project, and we're ready to commit our own apps to kickstart this library. Those apps generate close to $2 million revenue per year. With $2 million a year, self-funding is an option. But let's talk about how we can speed up the process and make a company that will generate $60 million revenue annually, just in 3 years together. Thank you.
Thank you, Amaya Plus. Next one up is Waterplan. Come on, Startup Grind, we can do a little better.
Hi, everyone. I'm Augusto, the VP of Waterplan, and the world is under a severe water crisis, with the UN predicting that by 2030, 40% of the population will face water scarcity. Waterplan is a B2B SaaS platform that helps companies unify and centralize the way they measure and respond to water risk. In 2021, we embarked on this amazing journey, and we have become the leading platform, helping companies such as Colgate, AB InBev, Amazon, and Cemex. Last year, we raised our Series A to accelerate this transition towards a water-secure future. The water crisis won't go away unless we all have a water plan. Be part of our plan. Thank you.
Thank you. And the next one is for Rexalto. Yes, we can clap, we can clap.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. My name is Loriana Sardar, and I'm a co-founder and the CEO of Rexalto. Together with my co-founder, Helen, who's right there, we previously founded one of the largest European car-sharing companies and made the company cash flow positive and generated 75 million annual revenue. Today, we decided to share our knowledge with other mobility and car rental companies and have developed an AI dynamic pricing engine for the vehicle rental industry, helping our customers to set the right price at any given time for any given car. Our companies, our customers make 20 to 40% additional revenue in just 1 month. So thank you, everyone. If you're interested, we have a booth there, and I'll be happy to talk to you and tell you more. Thanks.
Thank you, Rexalto. If you want to meet the founders, meet them at booth number 61. Next one up is Escalate. Let's welcome Escalate on stage. Come on up.
90 days. That's the average time to turnover for cashiers, call center agents, and many other frontline workers. It's a $40 billion problem in the retail industry alone. I'm Sienna, co-founder of Escalate. Escalate stops turnover of frontline workers. Most frontline workers leave their jobs within the first 3 months for one of 2 reasons. They don't see a path to advance, so they leave to take the job across the street that pays 50 cents more an hour, or they get fired for absenteeism because life happens and their car breaks down, but they don't have another way to get to work. Escalate solves these challenges for employers and employees through our automated support and skilling platform that makes sure workers can get to work every day, puts them on a path to double their pay, and cuts the cost of turnover by more than 50%. This month, we launched a $1.5 million pilot with CVS Health. Our enterprise-size contracts position us for rapid growth. Join us as we transform frontline work.
Thank you, Escalate, and you can meet Sienna and her team at booth number 69. But let's give a round of applause to all the founders that just pitched, and as a reminder, you can meet them all at their exhibitor tent.